Successful onion gardening depends on several factors that include your planting region, the average climate, garden placement, the onion variety. Depending on your region, onions will thrive at different times of the year. Onion sets versus onion seeds. Onion sets can be planted even in the cold season without worrying about frost damage. They are frost-hardy and have a higher success rate than the seeds. For onion seeds, you can start them indoors to ensure they germinate properly and then transplant them outdoors. When to plant onion sets? Starting from March onwards, the onion sets are available for sale and ready to grow. Onions store very well, and there is no need to plant them staggered over a period. The best plan is to plant your onion sets together at one time. If you do prefer to plant your onion sets under the protection of cloches, then plant them 2 weeks earlier than the above date. How to plant onion sets? Onion sets are easy to grow on all types of soils, but they prefer a well-dug soil a few months before planting. They thrive in well-drained soils that are neither alkaline nor acidic, that are well moisturized. Onion sets also prefer a location with full sun or at least partial sun. Ensure you practice good crop rotation to keep them from getting affected by diseases. Grow them where no onion family like leeks, spring onions, or garlic have grown in the recent past for at least 2 to 3 years. How far apart to plant onion sets? Planting onion sets is simple and fast, but you must know how far apart to grow them. Onion plant spacing is important in ensuring your plants are set in the right space to thrive. To ensure you get the measurements right, first, mark out the row with a string bamboo cane or string to keep the row straight. Your plantings row should be about 30 centimeters apart, enough to allow you space for weeding. Cover them with soil up to the root end onto the soil and tassel end. Once you cover them with soil, gently firm the soil down and scatter some fertilizer. How deep to plant onion sets? Make a hole in the soil with your finger at least 5 to 10 centimeters or more depending on the size of the onion sets, and place them into it. For the first few weeks after planting, the birds will be a huge problem for your onion sets. To avoid this destruction, spread some gardening fleece over the soil surface. Secure it down with stones or soil. You can remove the fleece after a month. If you want to grow larger onions, you can start your sets in a greenhouse or indoors. Place the onion sets into germination trays filled with multi-purpose compost a few weeks earlier than normal. They will quickly grow roots and sprout shoots. Transplant them outdoors at the same time as you would plant unsprouted onion sets. Caring for onion sets. In dry weather, they will need plenty of water more than the normal season. When the 3rd week strikes, stop watering your onions even if the weather is hot and dry. This is to encourage them to ripen and enable them to be stored for longer in the autumn and winter. If you have the time in your hands for some gentle work, using your fingers, tease away some loose soil from the top of the onions to allow them to receive as much sunshine as possible. When to harvest your onion sets? Onion sets take about 90 to 120 days to mature. The growing conditions throughout the spring and summer greatly affect the date your onions are ready for harvest. Look for yellowing foliage and stems that are beginning to fall over as the key indicators for ready onions. Give your onions a period to dry in the sunny weather for about 2 to 3 days so that they can dry to increase their storage life. When you dig your onions, leave them on top of the soil to dry out for a couple of days. Should the weather turn damp, move the onions to a shed that has lots of ventilation. Overall, it is easy to grow onions from onion sets. They grow much faster and give a good crop. Why not try to grow your own? If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.